Hello, in this video I'm going to show the new media relationships feature on Check. So first I'm going to create a media that's going to be the parent media. It can be anything, a claim, a link, an uploaded image, anything. And we have this new session on top called related claims. So I can add a new child claim to it. I'm going to add two more. And I can add as many as I want. So now, as we can see here, the parent media lists the any children media. If I reload the page, they are still here just to see that the data was persisted. So if I now go to any of the children, it lists the parents plus the siblings. So if I go to any of child 1, child 2, or child 3, I can always see the parents plus the siblings. Also, the data is loaded only once. So now if I go back to any of those media, we won't see a loading screen anymore because all data is on the cache now. Also, I can't add a claim directly to a child media. I need to go back to the parents and add a new claim. And when I add a new claim and I go to any of the child media, it won't make a new request to the backend to retrieve the data. It's going to use the cache, and the newly one that I added here is going to be added to the cache automatically. So let's just see it in practice. I'm going to edit. It's going to appear here on top, and if I go to any of the children, it appears here, and we didn't see the loading screen because it didn't make a request to the backend. So this leads to better performance. I can also work on those media directly from here. So I can, for example, change the status from here, and it is updated also on the local cache automatically. Now if I go to the new one that I created, I see its siblings plus the parents again. Another thing that I can do here is that I can this auto refresh thing also happens when I archive or I delete. So I'm going to send number 2 to trash. Okay, it was sent to trash. And if I go to 4, 2 is not listed anymore, and we didn't see the loading screen. So it was removed from local cache, and we don't need to retrieve that from the backend. Okay. The same happens when I archive or when I delete forever. So I'm going to delete child 1. And now when it was deleted, and now when I go to child 3, it's not here, and we didn't need to ask the backend for that. And if I go to child 4, 2 is not here either. If I go to the parent, of course, is not here. When I go back to the project page, I can also see the related media listed as a tree, a hierarchy tree here. The same happens here, for example. Here I see 3 because one of them is archived. It's the one that we just archived. Now I can filter by in progress. It's going to list the media that have at least one child that is in progress, and of course any parent media that is in progress itself. So if I expand here, I can see that we have 3 related claims, 2 hidden by filters. We just show the one that is in progress. Here we do the same thing. Here we have 1 in progress. Here we have 1 in progress, 3 hidden by filters. Here we have 1 in progress, 2 hidden by filters. Here same thing, 1 in progress. Or we can have like many more. Here, for example, I have 12 related media, only 2 in progress, and they are listed here. I can do that from the project page or from the search page. So here on the search page, I can also expand, see the related media, filter, and only media that match the criteria is going to be shown. So let's see here, if I change this one to verified, and if I change this one to verified, and I wait a little bit for it to be indexed by the search engine, and I reload the page. If I filter by verified, it's going to show the parent media that's verified and this one that has one child that is verified. So this is the media related feature for Check. I hope that you like it, and it will be on live very soon. Thank you.